In this video, I am going to discuss about temperature as an ecological factor. Ecological factors means such a factors which are helpful for plants for their growth and development. Just like light, temperature, as well as environment, soil, all these are ecological factors which help plants to grow and develop. Temperature is a measurement of degree of heat. This is the scale by which we can measure the degree of heat, just like how cold and how hot any substance or the environment, just like air, water, we can measure in temperature. So we measure heat, degree of heat called as temperature. So temperature measure into two scales, or it may be more Kelvin also there, but generally temperature measured into two scales, degree and Fahrenheit. So in the America and Europe, Fahrenheit is mostly used to measure temperature, while in other countries, degree Celsius generally used to measure temperature. This is the conversion factor. 0 degree Celsius is equal to 32 Fahrenheit, or 0 Fahrenheit is equal to minus 17.78 degree Celsius. Suppose boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. So we put this 100 degrees Celsius and converted this 100 degrees Celsius into Fahrenheit. So 100 into 9 multiplied by 9 divided by 5 plus 32 is equal to Fahrenheit. So 900 divided by 5 plus 32, 900 by 5 is equal to 180 plus this 32 is equal to 212 Fahrenheit. So we can say that 100 degrees Celsius is equal to 212 Fahrenheit. Same way, freezing point of water is 0 degrees Celsius or 32 Fahrenheit. So by using this formula, you can calculate any degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. The temperature at which physiological processes are at their maximum efficiency is called optimum temperature. Optimum temperature of human is suppose 25 degrees Celsius or room temperature, at that temperature human can work more efficiently without fatigue. So optimum temperature means in that temperature human or organism can work more efficiently. The minimum, optimum and maximum temperature are called as cardinal temperature. Cardinal temperature means the temperature in the minimum temperature. Suppose a human man, in which minimum temperature it works. Suppose 10 degrees Celsius is the minimum temperature in which human can work efficiently, not much but work. Optimum temperature means suppose 25 degrees Celsius in which it maximum work, or maximum temperature means suppose 50 degrees Celsius at which the human can work, or more than that cannot work. So minimum, optimum and maximum temperature are called cardinal temperature. The distribution of plants, animals are also influenced by temperature. Correct. In desert there is a high temperature, as well as in Himalayan region, Arctic region there are low temperature. So the plants survive in that temperature distributed depending on that. So certain, suppose camel is adapted to desert environments. That's why cactus is adapted to desert environments. As well as polar bear, they can survive in the Arctic region. So the animals and plants distributed by temperature or influenced by temperature. Then effect of temperature on plants. First effect is effect on cell and protoplasm. So what is the effect of temperature on cells? See here there are three types of cells. First one, cell in natural state, normal cell, frozen cell and thawing cell. When temperature is decreased or 0 degree Celsius, that time the water inside the cell becomes freeze and cell becomes frozen. All the activity of the cell stop not working. Cell, so all activities stop due to the frozen. So the less temperature is not good for animals and plants because cells cytoplasm is made from 70 to 90% of water, and freezing temperature water converted into ice, so that freezing temperature is not suitable for sale, as well as higher temperature is also not suitable for sale. At higher temperature, protein presence in the cell coagulates. See here in the egg, when egg boils it becomes solid, and first it is in the form of liquid, but after boiling or high temperature its protein coagulates and become solid, and solid state cell become dead. So the high temperature and low temperature are not suitable for cell. Effect on metabolism. Catabolism and anabolism. There are two processes. Catabolism, in this process food material breakdown and energy is released, and anabolism, in this process food material is synthesized. Example, in animal fat is stored from food material, and catabolism means carbohydrates, fats, etc. digested and converted into energy. In the cell there is a enzymes. Enzymes is a protein which catalyze the rate of reactions. For every reaction, enzymes required, and enzymes presence in the cell. But due to high temperature, enzymes decrease or function less, denature, while low temperature enzymes stop working. So low temperature and high temperatures are not suitable for cell. Maximum or optimum temperature required for enzyme activity is 40 degrees Celsius or near about 30 to 50 degrees Celsius. This is the range, optimum temperature. And more than that, cells, enzymes in the cell, enzymes configurations, enzyme also made from proteins. The configuration of these proteins change and it become denatural, functionless or defunct. Third effect of temperature on plant is the rate of transpiration increase with atmospheric temperature. Transpiration is the process in which water absorbed by root is evaporated or transpired through various aerial parts. 97% of absorbed water is transpired in the atmosphere. So when increase the temperature, rate of transpiration increase, means loss of water increase. Distribution of plants, depending on the temperature also helps to distribute plants. In the Himalayan region, so beautiful flowers are there in Himalayan region, as well as some the plants, coniferous plants, present at the low temperature, while desert cactus species presents in the desert or sandy area where the temperature is very high. Deserts are also two types, cold desert and hot deserts, and their plants are also different. So temperature also affect on distribution of plants. Removal of water from seeds or spores. When increased temperature, seed become dry. So temperature remove water from the seed. Raw seed converted into dry seeds. This is the jawar plants, and in this plant the seeds jawar is in raw conditions, and after or heat or temperature, increased temperature, it become dry. So temperature play a very important role for removal of water from fruit, from seed, from spores, and converted them into dry. Dormancy. Plant metabolism comes to virtual standstill due in part to low temperature that slow chemical activities. So dormancy means stop the activity during the winter season. What happens? Plants cannot survive. Plants cannot grow. That time they stop the activity. This is because low temperature. So it is called as dormancy. Plant go in dormant stage. It is called as dormancy. Stop all activity due to low temperature. Life only exists on Earth, Sun. So the Mercury, Venus, these are very near to Sun as compared to other planets. But Earth is at such a position when the temperature is suitable for life. And from Sun, far distance, there are Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These planets are there. Jupiter. They are very cold planets. So life cannot survive on cold. So the suitable, not hot or not cold. Suitable temperature is required for life. And Earth is in such a position which provide a suitable temperature for life. Thank you.